everyone. Today we are gathered for a very special reason to celebrate the birthday of someone who is not just our priest but also our sports partner, guide and favorite person to travel, Father Stalin.
Father, the youth loves you, the parish loves you, and today we celebrate you. So let's begin with this joyful celebration.
Every birthday needs two important things, cake and people. And luckily we have both. So I request our birthday star, Father Stalin, to please come forward for a cake cutting.
Now that the cake is cut, it's time to make the celebration sweeter with music. And we have a small song prepared with lots of love for Father Stalin. Our melodious singers are all set to go.
Miracle wraps from God above. Good evening, everyone. Father Stalin shares a very special bond with all of us, especially with the youth. So I would like to invite Mercy, someone who knows him very closely, and would like to share a few words with him. So Mercy, the floor is yours.
Good evening, everyone. Today, we not only celebrate birthday of our father Stalin, but also a wonderful person he is to all of us. So, on this special day, I will love to express my feeling to you. Father Stalin, you are not just a priest who inspires us, but also a friend who makes us feel loved and valued. Your smile, your kindness, and your true words have inspired so many of us. Father Stalin, you have a very special way of bringing all of us together, whether through your sermon, your way of teaching sports, your silly jokes that makes us laugh, or the way you help others when they need you. The way of teaching your sports has brought so many of us to the church. On this birthday, we want you to know that how much you mean to all of us. Thank you for being such a cool, friendly, and a caring priest that makes us feel loved and valued. A priest like you reminds us that faith can be joyful, loved, and friendly. Thank you for always supporting us in all the needs. May God bless you with good health, happiness, and many more years of inspiring and guiding us. May God bless you with good health, and may you always be with us as you are. Thank you.
Now, we would love to hear from the person who makes today special. Father Stalin, please share a few words with us.
A very good evening to all of you.
Good evening, Father.
First of all, my sincere thanks to the Almighty, because of whom I am in Ulhasnagar today. अगर भगवान मेरे को नहीं बुलाते थे, मैं आज उल्लासनगर में नहीं होता. And I sincerely thank God for the gift of calling that He has given me. And secondly, I also remembered and prayed for all my family members who motivated me, who inspired me to choose this line. And thirdly, जब हम लोग theology पढ़ रहे थे, theology आंध्र बनने से पहले 4 साल very important course रहता. One of my professor was teaching about heaven and hell, स्वर्ग के बारे में और नरक के बारे में. And when he was talking about स्वर्ग, he made one statement. What is the meaning of heaven? Can any of you tell me what is the meaning of heaven? John Lucas, स्वर्ग का मतलब क्या है? नरक के बारे में नहीं पूछूंगा. स्वर्ग का मतलब क्या है? हाँ? And the statement he made is this: Heaven is here on earth. जहां हम लोग जी रहे हैं, वही स्वर्ग है. After coming here, I experienced the meaning of Swarg with Father Philip. It is not that what we expect Swarg is out there. We have to live our life here, keeping everyone happy, not hurting anybody. And that is what I have been experiencing all this month with Father Philip. He has shown me a lot of ways how to go about in this life. Every day he speaks to me. Every day we have conversation. And I sincerely thank Father Philip for making my life very joyful and time pass over here. I know only I keep playing. I am enjoying moreover. It is not about only playing. I am happy in Ulhasnagar. Even though all of you might be wondering, it is a small USA. I am happy that I am in Ulhasnagar, enjoying my life. And I should be grateful to all of you, especially today, coming for the Holy Mass and praying for me. I know all of you might be having your own personal work here. You all made time for me to come this evening and you all prayed for me. thank you each and everybody who are present here. And also sincere thanks to the people, youngsters, who always make my day khatam hone tak. Till the day closes, they are with me. I know बहुत जन को मानता हूँ, वो सब टाइम पास है मेरा. Thank you for bearing with me. किसी को गुस्सा से नहीं मारता हूँ, प्यार से चलता है सब. कभी कभी मार लेने का भी, मार खाने का भी. नहीं, बीट में आओ सब, तो हो जाता है. So sincere thanks to all of you, youth especially, preparing this lovely program. Vice President and President and Cheryl for teaching a lovely song for me, and all those who are involved, musicians, Brian, Jesus, upcoming Jesus, and the soldier, Agnel, and Annie Kodrus preparing the liturgy, and also Maria Cardoza for singing beautifully today's hymns during the Mass. I thank all of you, and also many of you have wished, though they could not come today, this evening, to be here. Many of you wished me through your phone calls, through your messages. So I convey my regards to all of them. I convey my regards to everybody. My sincere, a special thanks to Sylvia. रोज खाना पकाते हैं यार. अगर इंसान को खाना नहीं है तो कैसे चाहिए? रोज आज तक she has not taken एक दिन भी break नहीं लिए. I know mothers might be cooking at home. कितना कंटाल आता होगा. रोज उठना पड़ेगा, रोज बनाना पड़ेगा, वही खाना पड़ेगा, वापस उठना पड़ेगा, वापस बनाने पड़ेगा. She has been always faithful to the task that she has been doing. You know, till today we don't tell her क्या बनाने का है, आज क्या बनाने का, दोपहर को क्या बनाने का, रात को क्या. She knows the timetable of us. So my sincere thanks to Sylvia for keeping us active and healthy. आने की वजह से मैं अच्छा हूँ. ये तो 7 घंटे खेलता हूँ, सेमिनार कहाँ से आएगा? So thank you Sylvia for making our life alive here in Ulhasnagar, and also once again I thank every one of you for making my day special. Before I conclude, Father will not put this in YouTube. 2 साल पहले मैं चेन्नई में था, अकेले रहता था. एक जो फादर मेरे साथ थे, गोवा के ही थे, वो गांव चले गए गोवा में. On 23rd of March, I was alone. मेरे को पता नहीं था क्या करूं. सुबह से शाम तक ये कॉल भी नहीं आया, इसने विश भी नहीं किया, मैसेज भी नहीं आया, कुछ नहीं था. सोच रहा था मैंने क्या करूं करके. कोच मेरा सेल्फी लिया. I put on the status. Today is my birthday. Kindly wish me. उसके बाद सब मैसेज आने लगा. So I was thinking इसके बाद कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा करके शाम को around 7:30 मैं दुकान गया खुद और एक केक खरीद के आया. Then I brought the letters of the happy birthday. Then I put on the notice board, happy birthday Father Stalin, and I बोर्ड के सामने खड़े होके सेल्फी लिया, वापस पोस्ट किया. Thank you for your prayers and celebrating. कोई नहीं था, अकेले क्या करूँ फिर. तो 250 का केक लाया और वो सब लाया, बर्थडे मनाया. And today, so many of you, I did not feel the absence of anything. Right from the morning and till now, I am still busy because of you. You all made the day. I know दुश्मन भी है इधर, फिर भी चलता है. तो बच्चों के दुश्मन लेके क्या करने वाला हूँ. Today we are here, कल नहीं रहेंगे. So once again, I thank all of you for especially coming this evening and making my day special, and I show my praise for all of you. I may be here tomorrow और कल और कहीं चले जाऊँ, फिर भी मेरा प्रार्थना आप सबके लिए हमेशा के लिए रहेगा. So once again, thank you and God bless all of you.
Who knows Father the best? All right, now comes the real test. Let us see who actually knows Father Stalin the best. Not only as a priest, but also sports, jokes, and youth movements. We have some few fun questions and maybe some surprises.
Good evening. So these questions are only for the elders. Youth and children will not participate in this. So if Father wasn't a priest, then what do you think he would be? Any guesses?
I don't want chorus answer. One person has to answer, so we all have a prize for it. So one person has to answer.
Put the hands up.
Yeah, anybody who wishes to answer. Auntie is correct. He would be a sports person, if not a priest. Auntie, you will get your prize later. Next. Which sports father has played at a state level? Any idea which sport father has played at a state level? No. Correct. No, it is badminton. Catherine auntie gets the prize. And the last question, if you all know, which year was Father Stellan ordained as a priest? Anybody? Date, month, and the exact year. Anybody? The year at least. Huh? It is 22. Can you guess the date? 10th. It is 10th May 2022. So Auntie and Sophia Auntie gets the prize.
The youth couldn't celebrate father's birthday without doing something dramatic. So, he prepared a small skit inspired by father's talent. So sit back, relax and enjoy.
Scene 1. The secret meeting. For years, we ignored the signs, but today, the truth is exposed.
Guys, I found this behind father's table.
But why are you behind his table?
Research purpose,
Drop your phone. Thank you.
what does it say? Top secret. Loudly, loudly. Father.
Spell secret.
S-R.
Stop. Sustain.
It says Father Stalin was not born. Then what? Amazon delivery? No. He was activated.
I knew it.
You also said Savi was flat last week. Relax. Scene 2. Evidence.
Alright, evidence.
Please make it good. Last time your evidence was a WhatsApp forward.
Evidence number 1. Father says just a small work.
Yes, a small work.
Last time the small work included moving half the church.
Evidence number 2. Father's priorities.
Yes, sometimes father is absent for the evening mass.
Why?
Because apparently volleyball also needs spiritual leadership.
Some priests go for enrichment workshops.
Our father Stalin goes for tournaments.
Scene 3. Personal experiences.
One time I lied. Small lie.
How small?
Like I'll be on time. Small.
That's not small. That's a national level lie.
But before I even finished, he just looked at me and said, tell the truth.
Built-in lie detector, no charging needed.
Wi-Fi भी नहीं चाहिए. Direct connection to your soul.
Scene 4. The last page.
Wait, there's one more page.
भूल गया.
Well now, what happened?
Well, read before you faint again.
Purpose of installation to handle the most chaotic group ever created.
That's definitely us.
Especially you.
Excuse me.
Last week you switched on the fence and forgot to switch off yourself.
We don't talk about that.
Even Google couldn't find that level of confusion.
Scene 5. Realization.
Maybe he's not a robot.
Maybe he's just extremely patient.
Eating with us daily.
Should come with bonus salary.
And free headache tablets. Family pack.
And a whistle like a referee.
And after deep investigation, the truth was clear.
He doesn't run on Wi-Fi.
He runs on patience.
He doesn't have superpowers.
He just has super tolerance.
Honestly, surviving us deserves an award.
Lifetime achievement. Handling the youth since forever. Happy birthday!
Thank you, Abdul Nikolore.
We do it!
showed us that faith can be joyful, that discipline can be fun, that being spiritual doesn't mean being boring.
The PPC members and the catechists would like to present a token of appreciation to Father.
As we come toward the end of this lovely celebration, we would like to invite Father Philip to speak few words.